Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to crochet this pattern. You see, this pattern is a growing type pattern, 1 2 3 4 like that. The main 3 rows is for the pattern, 1 2 and 3 rows is the main pattern. Okay, now I'm going to start and show you how to crochet. I will show you first 2 steps, then you all keep on doing till the requirement length. And this border here, this side we will hang around the yarn. We cut a bit few pieces longer and hang it around. Okay, let me show you. Okay, we start with 5 chain. Join. Then we are going to make 3 chain, 1 double crochet, 2 chain, then 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. Okay, from here we'll make 3 chain, go for next round. Next row, so we are going to make 1 double crochet in the next stitch, then 2 chain, then we are going to make 2 double crochet in the next stitch, okay, then we are going to make 3 chain. We are going to single crochet in the 3 chain space. Okay, 3 chain again. I'm going to make 2 double crochet in the next stitch, then 2 chain. We are going to make in the last stitch, we are going to make 2 double crochet, three chain, go for next row. Now we are going to make in the chain space here 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet. This one we are going to repeat. This one in the chain space, 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet. We are going to repeat this till the last. Okay, now we are going to make 3 chain. We are going to single crochet in the chain space here, then 3 chain. We are going to single crochet in the next chain space and 3 chain. Then we are going to make 2 double crochet in the chain space, 2 chain, 2 double crochet, 2 chain. So we are going to repeat this in 2 sides. Okay, 3 chain. We are going to repeat this, then we are going to make 3 chain, single crochet in the chain space, first chain space. Then from there we are going to make 4 double crochet in the next chain space, 4 double crochet, 1 chain. Then we are going to repeat 4 double crochet in the same space, then single crochet in the next chain space, make 3 chain. Then we are going to make the 2 double crochet, 2 chain and 2 double crochet. Then we 3 chain, go for next row, 1 2 2 chain, 2 double crochet, Then we are going to make 3 chain in the between here. All we are making 3 chains, 3 chain and again 3 chain. We will have like a V shape here. Now we are going to make 5 double crochet in the 1 chain space here. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 3 chain, single crochet in the chain space, 3 chain, then we go do double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet. This one both side we are going to repeat the same. Okay, 3 chain, we go for next row. See, we got V shape here. Okay, now this is the V shape. We are going to for the next 2. This one we did 1, next we will be going for 2. Okay, now this is the third row. For the pattern, we have 3 rows for the pattern. Chain, 2 double crochet and 3 chain. We are going to single crochet on the first, 3 chain, single crochet on the second, 3 chain. We are going to single crochet on the middle of the 5 double crochet, then 3 chain, the third chain space, then 3 chain in the fourth chain space, then 3 chain. We are going to make the double crochets. Okay, we did the corner one. Now 3 chain. We are going to single crochet in the first chain space, then we are going to repeat the pattern here. In the second, we'll make 4 double crochet, 1 chain and 4 double crochet. It will grow, this pattern will grow like that. So you can do it till the required length. 3 chain. Okay. Again for the second one, 4 double crochet, 1 2 3 4, 1 chain and 4 double crochet. Three chain, then 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet in the side. This pattern is easy for beginners. Three chain, single crochet in the chain space, 3 chain, then we are going to make 5 double crochet in the 1 chain space. I'm not so satisfied with the stitches, so I pull out. I did this pattern 40 years back. I like this pattern so much, so I'm giving up to you all. And 3 chain, doing it here. See, we have like V shape here. Between the 5 double crochet, we will have V chain. Three chain, single crochet in the chain space, 3 chain space, 3 chain, and 2 double crochet in the side. Okay, okay friends, I have completed this pattern. See, it looks so nice with 2 colors here. I hang around some yarn here. The pattern is only 3 rows. We are going to repeat and repeat the same thing till the required length. Okay, it's an easy pattern for a beginner. I hope you all give a try also. See, it's nice. Okay, I hope you all give a try. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Thank you.